guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video I want to show you how we can use this unripe pawpaw right here as a home remedy to cure gastric ulcer. Yes, you heard me right, to cure gastric ulcer. This is not like something to alleviate the symptoms. You know, this is a cure, permanent cure of peptic ulcer. When you take it, your peptic ulcer will be gone. So I made a video some months back about this particular peptic ulcer and gastric ulcer. I made a video, but in that video I didn't show the practicals of how you can use unripe pawpaw to cure your ulcer. So some people came to me and they were telling me that the videos will be confusing and they do not understand, and I already made it. I made a promise to myself that I was going to do a practical video to show you how you can use unripe pawpaw to cure your peptic ulcer. Okay, so this is what I'll be doing in this video. All you need is your unripe pawpaw. You want to make sure that you get the pawpaw that is actually not ripe, like it is completely totally, like we need unripe pawpaw, guys. This is what you need, and you have to make sure you wash the pawpaw very well. You wash it very clean, you know. Oh wow, I was a bit skeptical about this particular pawpaw. I was scared because I bought pawpaw the other day, and when I came back home I thought that it was like unripe, guys. When I opened it, it was ripe inside. So this one was like a 50-50. I'm glad that I actually got the unripe one. Like seriously, it has to look like this. So we need all the seeds and we need the peelings as well. We are not going to take that out. You're just going to slice them into cubes. I want to make sure you slice them into cubes like this. You want to make sure you put them into a bowl that has a lid, okay? And you add in water into it. Add in your clean mineral water or your drinking water. You want to make sure that the water is on the same level with the pawpaw, okay? The water is on the same level. So you put the water to be on the same level with the pawpaw. You keep this for 4 days. So let's say if you're doing it on a Monday, right? So you keep it for Monday, you keep it for Tuesday. You count Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday is the 4th day. That is when you're going to strain this water and you're going to use it to cure your gastric ulcer. So guys, I'm going to keep this for 4 days, and I'll come back and I'll show you how it looks like. This is the pawpaw. It has been fermenting for 4 days. So I did this on a Saturday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and today is Wednesday. You can look at how it has changed after the fermentation. So what you will do, you just have to strain, take out all the content inside. Take out all this content inside. You can see the water is already looking milky. You know, the color of the water has changed to white. Guys, the smell, like, it doesn't smell really good, right? You know, anything that you ferment definitely is going to change the odor of that thing. So you just have to bear in mind while taking this to get rid of your ulcer or gastric ulcer or peptic ulcer. So I'm just going to take it out and strain it, and I'll tell you how you're going to take this amazing drink to get rid of that ulcer. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. You can see the color has changed to like white. Originally the water I used was this color. It was plain water, right? It has changed to white, or you can see creamy white. So how you're going to take this unripe pawpaw water, you take half glass in the morning and half glass in the night, 2 times a day. Take it for as long as you have the symptoms, alright? Take it for as long as you want. Make sure that before you stop taking it, your symptoms have relieved. You don't have don't feel the symptoms of gastric ulcer and peptic ulcer anymore, and you've gone to the hospital to test and to make sure that you don't have these ulcers again. So you can take them as long as you want. There's no side effect in taking this drink, alright? So take it half glass, not full glass. Half glass in the morning and half glass at night. And before you do this home remedy, you want to make sure that you have gone to the hospital and you have tested, you have done all your necessary tests, and doctor have actually told you that you have either gastric ulcer or peptic ulcer, right? So it's not all stomach pains that is related to ulcer. So don't go ahead and start doing this home remedy and start taking it if you feel like you're having pain on your stomach, or if you have any kind of stomach pain. You have to make sure you confirm with the doctor that you actually have ulcer before you start taking this home remedy. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. This is what I wanted to share with you guys today, because I did promise I was going to do the practical video once I have the unripe pawpaw. So this is it, guys. Make sure you share this video. It is absolutely free of charge. For my returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for your love and your support. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. Please do not leave without hitting the subscribe button, and as you do so, God bless you. Until then, guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.